This is how courts should work. Courts don't work for a series of reasons, some of which are listed here. Here's how to fix that. People do a web search when they have a problem. It could be anything. Somebody hit me, I got into an accident, somebody didn't pay me, I bought something that doesn't work, I'm being accused of a crime, for example. They can also describe their case in very generic terms, like this person who says, in simple terms, I have a legal problem. Whenever they do those web searches, the first result should be a court website and other good results should follow. When they click on the court website, it should have a link for how to start a lawsuit in the upper left corner because that is where most people look first, and that's what you're there for. The website also, of course, has other important information. People easily understand that when you communicate in writing with an important organization, you send an email. The court follows that same well understood approach. When you file a case with the court, you are going to send an email. The website automatically gives you an email address with a date. Here, this lawsuit is being filed in 2022 on August 15, and it's the 12th lawsuit filed on that date. This email address will be used for this case, and it's also the case's case number because courts keep track of cases with case numbers. This is the simplest way to do this. The email is from the plaintiff, who in this example is Robin Jones. The opposing party must be copied, and this is their email address. We're going to have a hypothetical case of Robin Jones alleging they bought a boat from a seller and the boat leaks. Then you need to describe your case in one sentence. Here, Robin says, I was ripped off when I bought a boat that leaks. Then you must describe your case in more detail, which is like the body of an email. Let's say someone is really simple and they just repeat one more time, I was ripped off when I bought a boat that leaks. The artificial intelligence of the court will understand this sentence and ask a question to move the case along. Did you have a contract to buy the boat? If so, click here to upload the contract. A boat can be important, so it's very possible that people will use a contract to sell a boat. The contract will then become like an attachment to this email. How much money did you pay for the boat? This is also an important question. From the answers to these questions, the website's AI will generate this simple sentence. The seller breached the attached contract because they sold me a leaky boat for $30,000. The website will then prompt you on the applicable law, which you can edit with your own view of which law applies if you want. Then you'll be prompted to make your arguments about your case. This is all in a well-understood email framework to organize what you will tell the judge at trial. You attach the contracts and emails to support your case. If you need help, you can get it. The defendant boat seller gets the plaintiff's email and responds, also with a prompting of AI like this. They also get a prompting of what the law is and what the defendant's arguments can be. The defendant can upload evidence like a photo showing the boat does not leak and emails, and they can also get help if they want. Again, this is only an example. Just like emails can relate to any topic, court filings can be about car accidents, disputes about home renovations, and so on. The judge will hear the evidence at trial and will enter judgment. The judge can easily go back to the same email string and accept the facts and law they believe are correct. These are all suggestions, and the judge can edit all this language. They can then issue a decision explaining what they think the outcome should be by clicking this button. Please support this solution by contacting your representatives with this message.